Hi, today I'm going to take you through the Groups Report section of the PM Benchmark software. Once you are signed in to the PM Benchmark software, on the left-hand side of the screen, select the Groups tab. Once here, locate the group which report you would like to access. Today we're going to access the Year 2 Sapphire reports. Click the Reports button next to their name. On this screen here, it will provide you with two tabs to select from: Group Progress Report and Custom Graph. The Group Progress Report, use the form below to select what type of information you want the report to show and to customize the graph display. The fields available are PM reading level, student ages, gender, and other. PM reading level, you're able to select individual PM reading levels, or as I am doing today, I'll select all PM reading levels. The same can be done with student ages. I'm going to select all student ages today. You can select both genders or one gender. We can also select EAL and reading recovery. From there, we click the View Report button on the bottom right-hand side of the screen. This will generate an Excel file that we can view, which will show you the student's first and last name, their age, their gender, the last assessment that was completed, their PM reading level, the retelling level, accuracy rate, self-correction ratio, comprehension level, knowledge and skills, strategies, and fluency. If we return to the previous screen, we can now click the Custom Graph tab. Use the form below to select the information you want the graph to show and to customize the display. The X-axis will always display the name of the student. The Y-axis will either provide you with a reading level, self-correction ratio, or accuracy percentage. The first one we're going to look at is reading level. Again, additional fields available are PM reading level, student ages, and gender. You can select individual PM reading levels. However, today I'm going to select all. The same can be done with student ages. I'm going to select all. And you can select both genders. On the bottom right-hand side of the screen is the View Graph. And this will generate a graph where we can have a look at each student in that group and what PM reading level they're currently at. If we click the backwards arrow, it will return us to the previous screen where we can change that Y-axis. This time will be self-correction ratio. Again, we're selecting all PM reading levels, all ages, both genders, and click View Graph. And this will show you the self-correction ratio of all those students. The last one will be accuracy percentage. Click View Graph. And this will provide you with accuracy percentage for each student. We can click the backwards arrow to return to the previous screen. And then to get to the home page, we click the hamburger icon and click Assessments, which will return us to the home screen of the PM Benchmark software. And that's accessing the Groups Report section of the PM Benchmark software. Thank you.